Hi guys, spring is already here. Let's draw some flowers today. Welcome to Lala Luna. This is Anna. The first flower I'm drawing will have a really thin and long branch. A little branch here and here too. And this will be the first flower with 5 petals. The second one lower and smaller. The third one even smaller. If you guys not yet subscribe our channel, don't forget to click on subscribe. Thank you for your support. I'm drawing the little leaves. Some more leaves on the lower branch and little bud here. That should be good. Move to the second flower. Okay, to make it a little bigger. The second one here will have the same length, the same height to the first one, and have some branches for the leaf. This flower will have really big leaves they come with 3 or 5 leaves on a branch. This one too. And now I will draw the little, look like a circle here. And another branch go up a little taller. Yes, and one leaf here. I'll make it a little thick, a little crowded. It looks just like a ball of color. Look like a kind of berry. Usually berries is in the autumn, but like I say, it's just like a kind of flower, a small flower. It's too small to draw a tiny little petal, so it just looks like a ball of color. I can draw a leaf there too, but skip it. And some little ball here too. Look pretty. I love it. Okay, move to the third one. Still thin and long branches. This one I will draw the flower go with the petal go down this way. One more, and the center really standing out, and this will be the little bud. That would be the leaves. This leaf, I will make it smaller and would have more little leaf together, standing together. Yeah. This is very easy to draw. We give very nice design. Looks so lovely. You can add 2 or 4 more leaves if you like. One more there. Yeah. Look good. And the little one here. Yeah. Now let's color it. This time I choose the really bright red color for the flowers. So the little flower I just color it fully, not like the bigger one. The bigger one I will add a little pink on the top later. The same with the balls. With the little one here, I just added the really red one, and it looks so bright, so beautiful. And the third flower I do with the same technique like the first flower. Yeah. And that's for the flower. Like I said, I add a little bit of the pink color here. You can add a little yellow there if you like. It looks really nice too. Yeah, and now is the time to color the leaves. I use the dark blue. I love this color. Usually I color the leaf with the green, but let's change to the blue today and see how it come out. You see, it looks so beautiful. I love this color a lot. I want to talk a little bit about the spring too, because this is my favorite season. So spring is the season of new beginnings, with fresh birds bloom, animals awaken, and the earth seems to come to life again. Farmers and gardeners plant their seeds, and the temperature slowly rises. The timing of the changes vary depending upon location. So, what is special about spring season? The first thing is the heaps of sunshine, and you can see spring have perfect temperatures. The next thing I like about spring season is there are more sunny hours in a day, and the cutest baby animals everywhere. So like bunnies, piglets, chicks, or ducklings, and flowers everywhere. Like after the long and grim winter, spring rewards are waiting with dazzling flowers. And spring holidays too, like Valentine's Day, International Women's Day, St. Patrick's Day, April Fool's Day, Easter, and Mother's Day. I almost finished the coloring. Yeah, the final result looks fantastic. Thank you so much for your watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please give me a like and share if you like my drawing. Thank you and see you.